Hi Nabil, how you doing?
Hi.
Can you tell me a little bit about what you're doing here at Deep PCB?
So at the PCB, we focus on only one small piece of PCB, is doing the routing. And we released a new assistant that also check your layout. And it will tell you if there is mistakes that need to be fixed. And also, if it find improvement, the assistant will tell you, you need to fix this. And you can say to the assistant, okay, do it for me. It's good to change the net classes, add the reference plane, do the impedance matching for you, check the differential pair, gaps, and everything. And it will start doing the routing for you, and you get a routed board.
So all the routing can be handled by Deep PCB. Do you exist as a platform, a website platform? Maybe I upload my Gerber files, or are you integrated into the EDA directly?
So what we support all those tools. We support EDA Pro, Altion, KiCad, Zuken, OrCAD. So we try to work complementary with the tool. So you come to us, you do the routing, and after that you go back to your tool. You do simulation, you do DFC checks, you tweak the box a little bit if the EI did something that you don't like, and you continue from there.
So you mentioned as well, not only will it do the auto routing, but it will give me a few design recommendations as well.
Exactly, yes. So for example, if I see this board, so this is board from internet, that I downloaded. So one thing, for example, for this board, so here it gives suggestion, for example. So it will tell you like you forgot to add the reference plane, and that's not good for reference for signal integrity. And you have a differential pair that you need to have impedance matching, and you need to clean GLD reference plane. And it will tell you, do you want me to add the reference plane for you? You just say yes, and it will do it for you. Same thing. It will tell you that you need to have on inner layer 2, you need to have a power. So add the power, 3 volts on that one, and check the net classes. And it tell you that, for this example, it tell you that the power nets, 3 volts and 5 volts, they need to be thicker because they need to carry 2 amps. Because this transceiver and this microcontroller, they need around 2 amps. And you can ask the EI, is this board is good for signal integrity? It will do the checks for you.
Okay, so you get the sanity check, you get the auto routing.
Exactly.
But why wouldn't, let's say, an engineer that knows how to do all of these things, what do you think the value proposition will be for them then?
It's always nice to have a second eyes checking your boards. It's like me and him, we were discussing an issue, and we give the board to the assistants, and it found that there is 2 GND, one analog, one digital, that need to be fixed, and we are not aware of that. It's like the board we have for 3 days, and we missed that. And
you lose track.
Able to assist us on that. So it's always nice to have a second eyes that can check after you. Like.
Okay, so if people want to learn more about Deep PCB or they want to try you guys out, where can they go and see more information?
Just dpcb.ai, and you get free credits for 15 minutes to use the tool for free.